Originally, the Avro Anson was designed to be a six-passenger commercial aircraft, its first flight being in January 1935. A year later, the Royal Air Force began using the Anson for reconnaissance missions along the coast of Britain, during which time it earned its nickname Faithful Annie. Given its popularity going into the Second World War, the Anson also became the standard twin-engine training aircraft for the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan. It was during the late 1930s that the Royal Canadian Air Force began using the Anson in significant numbers. It was so popular that production was set up in Canada after the 1940s through companies like Boeing Canada and Bristol Aircraft Products. The Royal Canadian Air Force would end up with a total of 4,413 Ansons by 1945, making it the most numerous aircraft type used by Canada during the war. This number was made up by Mark II and Mark V versions. After the war, the Anson would see use as a commercial aircraft once again in Europe and Canada. Production of the Anson would continue until 1952, when the Canadian Air Force retired its fleet. The Royal Air Force in Britain, however, would continue operating the Anson until 1968. In all, 11,020 Ansons were built.